Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Felicity. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, we are becoming a fairy. And I'm going to show you how you can be the baddest fairy in the forest. But first, unboxing haul! I finally got some lights in the mail, so my content of my videos and the quality will be going up. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. Stay tuned! So I started at Playto's closet. And found some interesting things. And I also found some things that I didn't need to buy. But in the meantime, I did find this skirt. I went to Joanns Fabrics, and they were having a pretty good sale. It was like 70% off, as you can tell. They still had a good selection though, overall. And I picked some flowers that I thought would suit my costume. And trust me, there was a lot to choose from. They even had some bins in the back that were also 70% off, and this is where I got some of the leaves from. I'll explain later in the video. Once we're all set, I headed home. What you'll need: leaves or greenery of some sort, some twine, more leaves, moss, flowers, more flowers, glue, some wire. I got these pantyhose from the dollar store, you might not need that later, a one piece, a skirt, and some shoes. So I started off with the one piece, which I got from Playto's closet as well. I took the flowers off of the stem, as well as the leaves. Once that's done, I took the E6000 glue and started gluing on the leaves. So the way I glued them on was starting from the top and overlapping them so they would be facing upward, if that makes sense. If you want it to be more form-fitting, I would suggest going down possibly, only because I found that the leaves had a little bit of spacing in between them when they were facing up. So next up is the skirt. There are two layers. I took the inner layer and gave it a little trim just to make it a bit shorter. So I took the second layer, and it's a little bit more sheer, so I was able to rip it instead of cut it. I found that this gave it a more of a torn/worn effect. Then the same on the other side. See? Super simple. And as you can see here, I started to glue on the flowers. I also added in some of these extra leaves. Now this part is definitely optional since it didn't really work out so great for me, but I took this wire, cut it to my desired length, and made some wings. Now I glued the out of these wings, and it ended up being a little too flimsy because when I took this stocking to put it over, the wings kind of deformed. I'll definitely leave the video I tried to follow in the description. There you have it, your own DIY fairy costume. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave it a like or a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.